back to my channel. My name is Tania. I'm a part-time reseller. I sell vintage and a few modern brands on sites like eBay, Etsy, Depop, Poshmark. Today is part 2 to my auction lot that I won. I said I would break this up into a series. I went through 3 more boxes in the lot and I'm going to show you what I found, and then stay tuned to the end of the video to see what has sold so far, how much I've made from this lot, and what's to come in this series. So if you're interested in learning about sourcing at the county tax collector's office, just keep watching. I'm gonna link a playlist up above if you're interested in watching more of these videos. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned till the end. There will be timestamps down below. This is box number 5 and I am already disappointed. A lot of like candles. Ooh, a Mason, a Denman brush. But it's kind of old though. No. These little tins. I mean, they look new, but I don't think it's very hygienic to sell these. So yeah, this is like a lot of junk. Just like, oh, it's like melted wax. So immediately know this is all gonna get trashed. So this is all junk. Box number 6. It's a lot more of these used makeup. Again, these are all cleared out from people's estates, so you never know what you're gonna find. I mean, yeah, I don't think they can resell any of this. There was this bag. This one looks new. Maybe oh, it's a Dr. Scholl's. Maybe I can sell this. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so I'm trying to do this overhead shot. It looks like more little makeup bags, like from Lancome or something. Yeah, this is a Lancome. So the little makeup wallets, I'm gonna just put them aside and I can lock them. This is a Clinique. This is and they all look new, so I think she might have worked like at a beauty counter. Yeah, I'm gonna put those aside and just do like a giant lot of beauty bags. Look, they're like brand new. Lancome. I'm gonna keep another scarf. Oh, look, a little t-shirt. Baby Leo. Leo's World. Oh, look, it's new with tags. Baby Gap shirt, 10 bucks. Keep that. This is a skull scarf. Looks new. Makeup bags. Imagine one of these was full of cash. This one's full of nail files. Ooh, a Betty Boop nail file. Okay, another beauty lot. Oh, another little baby Gap shirt. Take a hike. Oh, cute. Another wallet. Okay, so this bag, it's kind of dirty, so I'm gonna dump that one. So far, I'm dumping this. Nice little pile of makeup bags that I will probably lot together, and so far that little pedicure thing. And it looks like it's all hats. There was this box of lanterns. These are brand new multicolor umbrella string lights. It's from World Marketplace, $29.99. So I'm gonna keep that. And let's go through the hats. Honestly, it's a lot of like random hats. Team USA. I'll keep those. I don't know. I don't really want to sell any of this. If it has no brand, I might just throw it out. So this is Chris color. Oh, a Batman. Okay, so this is what I decided to keep. Like UCLA, something that has like a brand. These don't, but these are all like the Gap or have a logo. Vintage Gap. This like Team USA one from the Olympics. Another like cool Gap one. What else? Oh, this one was cool. This cross colors one. So yeah, that's what I decided to keep. Everything else I'm gonna take to Goodwill because I can't use it. A lot of these were like boutique things. They don't have a brand, so yeah, that's it for now. I still have 4 boxes left. No, I still have 3 boxes left. Hopefully I can find some more stuff to sell. Okay, so as you can see, it's kind of like when you purchase, especially from the bric-a-brac section, you get a random lot. You don't get to pick and choose. Usually it's just like an estate that's being cleaned out, so they'll throw like everything from the bathroom, and they'll like from the closets, from the bathrooms, from a bedroom, they'll put it in 10 boxes and they'll start the lot at $5. I did win 2 lots altogether. I paid $97.75 for this 10 box lot. I have looked through half of the lot already, and as you can see from this, like half of it is junk, half of it you end up throwing out. I can't sell any of that of like the used makeup and like the used beauty tools, like combs, things like that. That automatically gets dumped. But I did find a lot of hats, and so far I've sold 1 item from this lot. I sold the Hello Kitty purse that I found in the first part of the series. Somebody sent me an offer for $44, which I accepted. After fees, I cashed out $35.20. Still negative. I'm down from $97.75 to $62.55. Keep in mind that it's only 1 item that's sold. And honestly, I've been so bad at listing. Like, while you're watching this, I'm in Texas. I live in California, so my closet's on vacation for 2 weeks. I won't be back until after 4th of July. So I really haven't had an opportunity to list anything. So I think I'm gonna put a little pause on the series, and I'm gonna resume it maybe bi-monthly, once a month, maybe monthly or bi-monthly, because I do need time to catch up on the listings. I've only listed 2 items, the Hello Kitty purse as well as the carry-on travel case. I think I have over 100 hats that I can list, and then I have other bric-a-brac items that I have to list. So I'm gonna catch up on listing as soon as I get home, and then I will follow up on this series. I want to say every 2 weeks at least. It's just too much to do it weekly. But yeah, so far so good. I mean, out of the 2 items that I listed, 1 of them already sold, so I'm very confident in the things that I'm keeping are going to be sellable items. So yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I promise to update you as soon as I get back to California, and I think once I get back, I'm just gonna do a listing challenge and just try and get as many listings as possible. But yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll be back on Wednesday with my May what sold video, and then the week after with my June what sold video. So I'm gonna try and be good and keep you guys as updated as possible, even though I'm not really making sales while I'm traveling. So I hope your sales are doing good. Tag me down below. How have sales been going for you? I hope they've been going better than mine. And yeah, I hope you're doing well. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.